Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Tung 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 Sahur. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off near the top and let's draw the nose. Let's draw an angled line down, and then curve it over to the right at the bottom. Then add another curve over and up. Now top over to the left and let's curve it out and back in. And that's it for the nose. Now let's add the eyes. Let's start on the left and let's curve it out and bring it back in. Then on top, let's add a curve up and down, and the same thing underneath. Now top to the right and let's draw a curve and another one underneath. And then let's add another curve on top of the eye and the same thing underneath. Now top inside each of the eyes and let's add a circle. And then another circle inside on the top corner. Now on top of each eye, let's add the eyebrows. Let's start on top of the nose and let's draw a curve over to the left and curve it back in on top. And then let's add a curve on the right side and a curve on top as well. And that's it for the eyebrows. Now let's hop out and let's draw the shape of the head. Let's start on top of the left eye and let's curve it up and bring it in. And then a line up on top. Now top underneath the eye and let's draw a curve down. Then underneath, let's bring it down and curve it in for the chin. Now top back up to the top and let's draw a curve over to the right for the top of the head. And then bring it down on the right side. Now top inside and let's draw the right cheek with a curve. And then let's hop underneath and add the mouth. Underneath the nose, let's draw a small V shape. Curve it down on the left, and a longer curve out on the right. Then a curve across at the bottom. And then add the lower lip underneath like this. And that's it for the head. Now top underneath and draw the body, starting with the first arm. On the right side, let's add a curve. And then let's add 2 angles down and over to the right. And then let's bring it down and over to the left side. Now for the hand, let's draw a curve in and bring it back out. And curve it underneath and up. Now underneath the arm here, let's continue the right side of the body with a line down. Now top over to the left and let's draw a line down as well. And then close off the bottom of the body with a curve across. Now top over to the left side and let's add the other arm. Let's start with an angle down. And then curve it into the body and back up. Now next to the finger, let's add a small angle and then continue it on the other side. Now let's add another angle underneath. And close off the end of the bat with a curve. And that's it for the upper body. Now underneath, let's add the legs. Let's start underneath the body on the left and let's draw 2 lines down. And the same thing next to it on the right here. Now underneath the left line, let's draw a bump down and curve it in. And then a line down underneath. And continue the right side of the legs with a line down. And that's it for the legs. Now let's hop underneath and let's draw the feet. Let's start underneath on the left leg and let's draw a curve out and bring it down. Now let's add another small bump for the next toe and a larger one underneath. Now to close off the foot, let's curve it back over and bring it up. Now let's hop underneath the right leg, and for this foot, let's draw 2 angles down and out. Then underneath on the left, let's draw a curve for the big toe, and then 4 more bumps to close off the foot. And that's it for this drawing. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!